Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to view your Copilot history. So your history in Copilot is very important as you would be able to view all your old chats and much more than that. So let me show you how you can see it in different methods. The first method is by going to your Copilot and simply here on the left side you will find all the chat history that you have been working on in the past. So here I have different kind of history that I can show you. So I have the word cap overview, solving simple linear equation, organizing busy day, etc, etc. So with that I can open each conversation, and as I'm going through them I can view the old messages between me and the AI. Now what about on the app? So in this situation we need to go back to this article by Copilot support team or Microsoft support team that explained everything. So in the dashboard, go to privacy, empower your productivity, Copilot, and your Copilot app activity history. From there, you can literally click on Copilot apps and you can export all the activity history. It should be in a CSV file that is downloadable, and simply you could open it and review it by yourself. So in general, there is two methods. Now also this method that I've shown you here is also applicable through the app. So you can go here, go ahead and click on chat, but through the app you need the premium version, which is not available for everyone. In this situation you would need to go back to your website here and go to the chat, but it works for both app and website, but this one only for the website or for the app. So you need to do these following things in order to have it. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video guys. If you did enjoy it, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and leave a beautiful comment. If you still have any problems about Copilot or any modern AI, make sure to simply mention it in the comment section. It will cover it. Thank you guys, and see you guys next upcoming video.